Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to learn how to design a single posterior crown in EXOCAD. Select anatomic crown, save, and let's start designing. Bring up the models and select the right orientation. Now I'm going to select the margin. And today we are going to select a very special library. This library is one that I designed that you can download for free. It's called the new generic because I took the generic library and modified it to make it prettier, in my opinion, of course. So once you are happy with the positioning, I decided not to adapt the anatomy and do it at this stage to have more control over it. Now, always make sure to follow the buccal corridor, which is not bad in this case. Make it a bit flatter on the palatal, as the other crowns are flat, as you can tell. The distal contact point is a bit tricky, so I'm gonna try to pull it in and then adapt. So I'm going to adapt the proximal contacts. Usually I like to select minus 0.01 just to make sure I have a contact. The occlusal contact. I would like to use the articulator on this case. So now that we placed it in the articulator, we're going to cut. So this is the static occlusion, and let's also trim the dynamic one, and you can see that. So this one, I'm not sure if it's working properly to this side, but we still have the canine here, so it might be working fine. And you can see that there is no interferences. So if there were any interferences, you would see here. So now just do the final patches. And there you have it, a full contour crown in EXOCAD, using my new library that you can download for free. I'll leave a link in the description, and I hope you enjoy.